Hello everyone, today we are going to explore how healing meditations can help restore your health and bring clarity to your mind. Meditation is more than just a practice of sitting quietly. It is a profound tool that connects the mind and body, allowing for deep healing and relaxation. Throughout history, people have turned to meditation as a way to enhance their well-being, reduce stress, and foster a sense of inner peace. Healing meditations in particular are focused on promoting physical health by calming the mind and allowing the body to rest and regenerate. These meditative practices tap into the natural healing processes of the body, encouraging it to repair itself and maintain balance. In addition to physical benefits, these meditations are also powerful in clearing mental fog and increasing mental clarity, which is essential in today's fast-paced world. As we begin, it is important to recognize that the state of our mind directly impacts the condition of our body. When we are stressed or anxious, our body responds with tension, fatigue, and even illness. Healing meditations help to calm the mind, which in turn relaxes the body and supports its ability to heal. This practice is not about escaping reality, but about finding peace within, which can lead to tangible improvements in our physical health. Today, we will look into how you can use meditation to restore your body and clear your mind. Whether you are new to meditation or have been practicing for some time, the techniques discussed here are accessible and easy to follow. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how healing meditations work and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine to achieve better health and mental clarity. Looking into the practice of healing meditations, the next step is to understand the importance of setting intentions. Intentions act as a guide for your meditation session, directing your focus and energy towards healing and clarity. By setting a clear intention at the beginning of your practice, you create a mental blueprint of what you wish to achieve, which significantly enhances the effectiveness of the meditation. When setting intentions, it is essential to be specific and positive. Instead of focusing on what you want to avoid or eliminate, frame your intentions around what you wish to cultivate or achieve. For instance, rather than intending to not feel stressed, you could set an intention to feel deeply relaxed and at peace. This positive framing helps to direct your subconscious towards desirable outcomes, facilitating a more effective meditation experience. The process of setting an intention starts with a few moments of reflection. Before beginning your meditation, take a moment to breathe deeply and ask yourself what you need most at that time. Is it physical healing, emotional release, or mental clarity? Once you have identified your need, formulate it into a simple, clear statement that resonates with your desire for healing. Hold this intention gently in your mind as you begin your meditation, allowing it to guide your focus and keep you aligned with your goals for the session. With your intention set, we can now focus on the specific techniques of meditation that facilitate physical healing. Body restoration through focused meditation involves directing your attention to different parts of the body, encouraging relaxation, healing, and the alleviation of any discomfort. This practice not only promotes physical health, but also deepens your awareness of your body's needs and responses. One effective technique is the body scan meditation. In this practice, you start at one end of your body, typically the feet, and mentally scan up through every part, paying attention to different sensations without judgment or attachment. This method allows you to connect with each area of your body, recognize where tension or pain exists, and consciously release it. The body scan not only helps in reducing physical tension, but also trains the mind to be more tuned to the body's signals. Another powerful technique is visualization. During visualization, you imagine a healing light or energy flowing into parts of your body that need healing. Picture this light as warm and soothing, gently easing any pain or discomfort. Visualization not only helps in reducing symptoms of physical ailments, but also enhances your mental clarity by focusing your mind on positive healing images. These focused meditations are grounded in the belief that where attention goes, energy flows. By directing your focus to areas of discomfort or imbalance, you channel your body's resources towards healing those areas. Regular practice of these techniques can lead to significant improvements in your physical well-being, helping you to achieve a state of health that supports both your body and mind. Building on the foundation of body restoration, our focus now shifts toward techniques specifically designed to clear the mind and promote mental clarity. A clear mind not only enhances our ability to focus and engage with the world, but also deepens the effectiveness of the physical healing processes initiated by our meditation practices. One foundational technique in achieving mental clarity is mindfulness meditation. This involves observing your thoughts and emotions as they arise without judgment or attachment. By practicing mindfulness, you learn to recognize your mental patterns without getting entangled in them, which can lead to a profound sense of inner peace and clarity. The goal here is to observe the flow of your thoughts and learn to gently steer them towards calmness and positivity, which supports overall mental health. Another effective practice is the use of mantra repetition. A mantra can be a word or a simple phrase that you repeat silently during your meditation. The repetition of a mantra helps to focus the mind, reducing scattered thoughts and bringing about a state of alert tranquility. Choose a mantra that is meaningful to you, something that evokes a sense of peace or well-being. Repeating this mantra during meditation can help anchor your mind in the present moment, reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity. These techniques are not just practices, but tools that help to stabilize the mind and maintain its focus, acting as a direct conduit to clearer thinking and better mental processing. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can effectively combat mental fog and cognitive overload, leading to a more balanced and insightful state of mind. While we continue to explore healing techniques, the role of breath in meditation emerges as a critical element. Breathing not only sustains life, but also profoundly influences our physiological and psychological states. In the context of healing meditations, understanding and utilizing breath can elevate the practice, enhancing both physical and mental health. Deep diaphragmatic breathing is a technique where you focus on deepening and slowing down your breath, which helps to stimulate the body's relaxation response. This type of breathing reduces the heart rate and lowers blood pressure, creating physiological conditions that support healing and restoration. It is particularly useful in managing stress, anxiety, and emotional upheaval, serving as a physical counterbalance to mental and emotional stressors. Another breathing technique that is beneficial in healing meditations is alternate nostril breathing. This involves closing one nostril and breathing through the other, alternating sides with each breath. This practice not only helps to balance the left and right hemispheres of the brain, but also enhances mental clarity and calmness. It's especially useful when you feel scattered or overwhelmed, as it brings a balancing effect to your mental state. By incorporating these breathing techniques into your meditation practice, you directly affect your autonomic nervous system, which helps to reduce stress hormones in the body and promotes a state of calm and focus. Regular practice of mindful breathing can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your meditations, providing a more integrated approach to health that combines the benefits of both physical relaxation and mental clarity. Having explored the fundamental techniques of healing meditations focused on both the body and mind, let us now look into a guided meditation designed for complete restoration. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position with your back straight but not stiff. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to settle and your mind to calm. As you breathe in deeply, visualize your breath reaching every part of your body, bringing energy and renewal. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension, stress, or discomfort you may be feeling. Now slowly bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a sense of warmth or a gentle light touching your scalp, soothing and relaxing it. Gradually let this sensation move downward over your forehead, your eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Take your time with each area, allowing the feeling of relaxation to deepen. Continue this process down your neck and shoulders, all the way to your fingertips, and finally down to your toes. This body scanning technique helps to connect you with each part of your body, promoting a healing awareness and encouraging relaxation and restoration. Throughout this guided meditation, maintain a focus on your intention, whether it's healing, clarity, or calmness. Keep your breathing steady and deep, helping to anchor your awareness and enhance the overall meditative experience. This practice serves as a holistic approach to health, integrating the benefits we discussed earlier and leading to a profound sense of peace and well-being. While we build on the foundation of guided meditation, another powerful tool in our healing arsenal is the use of positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated often, can help to reinforce healing and develop a positive mental outlook. These simple yet powerful phrases can transform your thought patterns, influencing your subconscious to adopt healthier, more positive beliefs. To incorporate affirmations into your meditation practice, start by choosing a few statements that resonate with your healing goals. These might include phrases like, "I am at peace with my body," "Every breath fills me with calmness," or "I embrace clarity with every moment." Speak these affirmations softly to yourself as you meditate, or silently repeat them in your mind. Allow the words to imbue your practice with positivity and intention. Affirmations work by gradually reshaping your internal narrative, replacing negative thoughts and doubts with confidence and positivity. This change in mindset can have a tangible effect on your emotional and physical health, facilitating healing and restoration. As with all meditation practices, consistency is key. Regular use of affirmations, especially when combined with the focused techniques discussed earlier, can accelerate your journey towards complete health and profound mental clarity. As you continue to develop your practice of healing meditations, it's natural to encounter certain obstacles along the way. These challenges, whether they be wandering thoughts, physical discomfort, or fluctuating motivation, are common experiences for both beginners and seasoned meditators alike. Recognizing and addressing these hurdles is crucial for maintaining a consistent and effective meditation practice. First, let's address the challenge of wandering thoughts. It's important to understand that the mind's nature is to think, and it's normal for thoughts to arise during meditation. Rather than fighting these thoughts, observe them with neutrality and gently guide your focus back to your breathing or your chosen affirmation. This refocusing is a practice in itself, enhancing your ability to remain present and engaged. Physical discomfort is another common issue, especially when sitting for long periods. To alleviate this, ensure that you are in a comfortable position before beginning your meditation. Use cushions or chairs that support a relaxed, yet upright posture. If discomfort arises during meditation, it's acceptable to adjust your position. The key is to do so mindfully, maintaining your focus on the movement and how it affects your body. Fluctuations in motivation can also pose a challenge. To cultivate a consistent practice, set realistic goals, and remind yourself of the benefits that meditation brings to your life. Integrating meditation into your daily routine, perhaps at the same time each day, can also help in forming a habit that becomes a natural part of your daily life. The ultimate goal of learning and practicing healing meditations is to integrate these benefits into every aspect of your life. To achieve this, it's beneficial to establish a routine that incorporates meditation into your daily activities, ensuring that its healing effects continue to support your well-being throughout the day. Start by identifying moments in your daily routine when you can take a few minutes to practice mindfulness or focus on your breathing. These could be moments such as just after waking up, before going to bed, or even during a midday break. The idea is to use these short sessions to reset your mind and body, fostering a continuous state of calm and clarity. Consider using affirmations throughout your day. Affirmations can be particularly powerful when faced with stress or before entering situations that typically induce anxiety. By repeating your affirmations, you reinforce a positive mindset and prepare yourself to handle challenges more effectively. Thank you for joining us in this journey through healing meditations. We hope the techniques and insights shared have inspired you to incorporate meditation into your daily life, fostering both physical restoration and mental clarity. The path to wellness is continuous, and each step you take in your meditation practice brings you closer to a balanced and healthier state of being. If you found value in this session, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content designed to support your wellness journey. Your engagement helps us grow and continue to bring you valuable insights and practices. Thank you once again for your time and commitment to your health and well-being.